Hey guys, Steve Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new 2025 Kingsport 248BH. Let's go take a look. Up front, your Kingsport is going to have your electric tongue jack. That is going to give you a little bit more access to bring that trailer up off the ball or put it back down on it a little bit quicker than using a hand crank. Right behind that, you're gonna have two propane tanks with the new upgraded propane covers. These ones are a little bit more robust than the ones that you've seen in the years past. Moving along the door side, we are going to see that this is a more compact bunkhouse. It's gonna be metal sided, but it is also gonna be tandem axle. So it's gonna tow a little bit easier than some of your single axles with having that compact frame. Towards the rear of this Kingsport, you are gonna have a nice amount of storage right underneath those bunks, so you have plenty of space for all your camping gear. And on the rear, you're gonna have your spare tire with its cover attached to your rear bumper that is also gonna double as storage for your black tank hose, so you don't have to bring it in the camper with you. And moving back up towards the front, you're gonna see the off-door side of our pass-through storage. Gonna give you a full amount of storage for the full width of the RV. Inside this Kingsport in the front, you're gonna have your master bed. This is gonna be a queen bed that's gonna have wards on both sides, give you a little bit more storage for all those clothes. You're gonna have a shelf right above. And behind that, you're gonna have this nice old farm style wood backing that's gonna look really nice. And on each sides of the bed, you're gonna have residential 110 plugs, as well as USB-C and regular USB ports. One nice thing Kingsport has done in this model is it not having a lot of separated space. They did give you a curtain for the master bed to have a little bit of privacy. Moving into the kitchen, we're gonna have a dual basin sink here with a high-rise faucet. It's gonna give you a good amount of use for, especially the size of this RV. Usually you don't see sinks this big. Still gonna have a good amount of storage all throughout the kitchen. And you're gonna have a 2-burner propane stove in here so that you can do some residential cooking with your microwave up top for those quick and fast meals. Moving back a little bit further, we're gonna have the RV fridge. This is gonna be an Everchill fridge. It's gonna have plenty of space for all of your food going down the road and give you a little bit more space for some extended camping. And right here, we're gonna have our parallel dinette. This is also gonna turn into a sleeping area if you need an extra bed, but for now, it's perfectly good for having family dinner night. In the rear of this Kingsport, it is a bunkhouse, so you're gonna have double over double bunks with your teddy bear mattresses on there. Gonna give plenty of space for the kids to sleep, have their activities, have their iPads, and it is also going to have puck lighting for each bunk so the kids can operate lights separately. The bathroom in this Kingsport is going to be separated to have the vanity and the sink on the exterior, and you are also going to have your control for your hot water heater right next to the sink. Inside the enclosed bathroom area, you're going to have your high-rise toilet, and you're going to have a tub, which is nice for if you have some younger kids that do need to take baths, but you also have a shower head in there as well for the adults. This Kingsport is going to be a great option for a family that is wanting to take their kids on trips before they get a little bit too old and don't want to spend the time out with the family. Make those memories with them, and also you don't have to break the bank to do it. This RV is coming in at a very affordable price, well under the $30,000 mark. Inside this Kingsport in the front, you're going to have your master bed. This is going to be a queen bed that's going to have wards on both sides, give you a little bit more